Now in this tutorial, let's understand these insert and delete icons. So I'm in Home tab, Cells and Insert. Sometimes you might want to insert a row or insert a column in this data. So inserting a row, let's look at the row. So let's say I want to insert in between this income and cost of sales. So what I will do is I would select that cost of sales cell, which is B4, and click this drop down button, where drop down triangle. So insert, and I'll click insert cells. So it'll ask you, do I want to insert just one cell or do I want to insert one row? Let's do the entire row first, see what happens. So as soon as I click OK, the whole row is inserted here, right? I'll go back, undo. Now if I insert just the cell, what happens is it'll say shift the cells down. I say OK. You see that is disjointed. Cost of sales is 600, gross profit is 2,400. So you got to be really careful when you're inserting cells in a big data. So sometimes you might have to genuinely insert a cell, but sometimes, mostly you would insert a row so that the information doesn't get distorted. The two ways of inserting a row we have looked at just by clicking one cell, clicking the drop down and saying insert cell, and from here on you can say either insert row, insert cell. The other quick way of doing this is, what you can do is, if you want to insert a row, you click that where you want to insert a row and just hit the top here, insert. Okay, so I'll show you once again. So go to the line and just click insert. The same thing you can do using a keyboard is go to that particular line and hit Control plus. Okay, you hit Control plus, it will insert a line. Now let's look at delete. Delete is the same thing again. You can either, if you click this drop down, it'll ask you whether you want to delete that cell by bringing everything up or you want to delete the entire row. So if you just say delete that cell, see all these cells have gone up. The gross profit is 2,400, expenses 3,000, so it's distorted. So you want to delete the entire row, then you click the entire row and delete it. So the whole row is gone. The same fashion, you can select the entire row and click Control minus from your keyboard. Okay, Control minus. So Control plus will insert a row, Control minus will delete a row. So I would recommend you to play with this insert by clicking the icon here and by clicking the drop down to familiarize yourself between insert and delete functions.